Hi everyone. So in this lecture, we are going to see about what is meant by keyword. Okay. So the keywords are called as reserved word. Okay. The keywords are called as what? Reserved word which have some predefined meaning. So that is what they are saying. Keywords are called as reserved words. Okay. So there are 32 keywords available in a C. So it starts with alphabet A, auto, to double alphabet Y. So there are 32 keywords. So keywords have some predefined meaning. I hope in my previous videos, you might able to see what is meant by variable. Okay, what is meant by variable, and then data types. Okay, what is meant by variable, and then data types. And here you might have one more thing which we have discussed about is called as identifier, because the names of the variable, data type, function name, string name, array name is all also called it as identifier. But here one more thing we have also discussed, keywords should not be used as a variable name. Okay, keyword cannot be used as a variable name. So why? Because they have some specific meaning. Already in that C programming and the compiler, they have some specific meaning. So let us take a keyword called auto. Const. Const means like I hope in my like what to say structure of C programming, we have declared the variable as const. Const int a equal to 5, which means throughout the program I cannot able to change the value of a. And double float, int, short, struct, unsigned, break. So these are the some of the keywords. Okay, but see, sir, how can we remember it? See here, the printf is not a keyword because that is the one of the what function, input output functions or input output statement. Whereas scanf is not a keyword. Don't say that like scanf is a keyword. So those are called as what? The name of the function. It has some certain meaning. That is called as identifier. I hope now you can clearly describe what is the difference between the identifier and the keyword. And main is a function. See here, I have not used the main as a keyword because main is a name of the function. And but void main, but I am so void main, this is the function, but void. Okay, we are having void is a keyword. Int main, so all your data types, okay, the shortcuts int, char, okay, int, char, double, float, all the your primitive data types are also called as keywords. Okay, all your primitive data types which is also called as keywords. But whereas what derived data type, it is an extension of the thing. It's extension means some modifications. So that's why main is not a keyword, whereas printf is not a keyword and scanf is not a keyword. CL or SCR, this is a what? Clear the screen. That I know, like it is a clear standard library functions. Okay, so console window, like for example, get ch. Okay, these are called as input output functions. So all those function names. So these are comes under the example of identifier also, because identifiers which consist of the variable name, keywords, data types, as well as like what function name, array name, all those things. So that's why keywords are separate, which means that identifiers are separate, variable names are separate, keywords are separate. But collection of the variable name, identifiers, keywords are all those things we could say as a identifier. It's a collection of everything. But the difference between variable and keyword is different. And variables and identifier is different. Okay, variables and identifiers are different. Okay, so that is what like how you have to understand what is the types of variable, how we can give the variable. For variable, we cannot use keyword as a variable name. So don't say that printf is a keyword. Printf is not a keyword. It's a statement. It's a function. And scanf, that's why main, okay, scanf, printf, getch, clr, ser. So this will not comes under the what? Keywords. Okay. But those are called as identifiers. Okay, those are called as what? Identifier. Because Printf is a name of the function. The name of the function is also a identifier. So understand the concept. So I hope here there are 32 keywords will be there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 rows, 4 columns. So 4 into 8, which is equal to 32 keywords. These are the 32 keywords in a C programming. All the 32 keywords will have some specific meaning. And make sure that your function name. So that's why if you learn a very basic program, you know that CLR, SCR is a library function and getCH is a library. That's why we are including a statement called hash include stdio.h and hash include stdlib.h, library functions. So this will not comes under the keyword. So even include, which is not come under the keyword, that is have certain, then we are just including it. Okay. So I hope you will understand my video. Keep supporting my video. Click the like button if you really understand my video. Leave the comment. So if you need a further explanation about any topic, please leave the comment and don't forget to click the like button, and you can share it with your friends. Click the bell button also. Thank you all.